Hello students, I am Meenakshi Khamkar from Vidyalankar Polytechnic. In this video, we will study exercise number 13 and 14, which is combined form validation using error provider control. So first we will see the output. In this output, uh, these are 4 labels: name, phone number, password and confirm password. And these are 4 text fields for entering values. Now if I enter numeric value in text field, it is giving error. Which error? Enter text. Enter text. So in this field, name field, we should enter only text value. Now that error message is disappeared. Next is phone number. In phone number, if we type text value, again it is giving error, only number allowed. So you should enter only number values here. Next, password. Now in password and confirm password should be similar. If it is not similar, again it is giving error. Password and confirm password doesn't match. So you should enter password and confirm password similar. So now that error message is also gone. So this is your output for exercise number 13. For getting that output, first you should design this form with 4 labels: name, phone number, password and confirm password, and 4 text fields for accepting values from user. After designing this form, we need error provider control. So from toolbox you can select error provider control here. Error provider control, just click and drag and place it over here. So that error provider control is not displayed inside this pink form because it is background service. Error provider control runs at background. It is not visible on form window. Now before writing code for this experiment, these text fields, before writing code, we should check name of each text field. First is text box 1. First is text box 1, second is text box 2, third is here you can see text box 3, and fourth is text box 4. So now first we will write code for text box 1. Double click on this text box 1. So when we double click on text box 1, this text box 1 text change, this event is open, and here we should write the code. Now what is the code? Text box 1 is name. We are entering name inside text box 1. If is numeric, text box 1 dot text means text box 1 is for entering name. But if you enter numeric value means numbers. If you enter numbers in text box 1, then it should display error enter text. Now to display this error, we should write error provider 1, which is created, dot set error, for which text box we are displaying error, text box 1, and which message should be displayed, enter text. Okay, if error is there, then it will display message. Otherwise, else it will not display any error. It will just display blank. Blank means no error. Else, we are writing else part because if there is error, it will display this error, enter text. And if you enter correct value, that error mark should be disappeared. So for deleting that error mark, we should write else part also. Otherwise, that red mark will remain as it is. To remove that red mark, we should write this line. So that red exclamation mark will be deleted. Next, text number 2. Text box 2. Double click on this text box 2. It is for phone number. So after this, in text box 2, event is again text box 2, text change. Text change means when we write or when we type something at that time, it should check that error. Now text box 2 is for phone number. So how to write error? If not is numeric, means text box 2 dot text. In text box 2, if we don't enter numeric value, not is numeric means no numeric value. If we enter text value in second text box, then it should display a message, error message, only number allowed. With the help of error provider 1, method name, function name, set error, for which text box we need to display this message, text box 2, and which message, only number allowed. If there is no error, then else part will be run, and same thing, error provider, set error, for text box 2, no error message. So it will delete that red exclamation error. This is about text box 2. Now double click on text box 3. Now text box 3 is for password. So when we type password, it should be displayed in star asterisk format. It should not be displayed in text format. So what to write for that? Text box 3 dot password char function and asterisk sign. So your password will be visible in this format. Now fourth one is confirm password. Double click on that. Confirm password is text box 4. So text box 4, text changed. Confirm password value also should be visible in this format, star format, asterisk format. Confirm password, when we type, it should display in this format. Now we will check for condition. Password and confirm password should be similar. So if text box 3 dot text equal text box 4 dot text, means password and confirm password both are similar, then no error. No error means error provider will be blank. If there is error, else part. If there is error, it will display this message. Password and confirm password doesn't match. It will display this message. Password and confirm password doesn't match. Where at text box 4, that error will be displayed, and end of if. So again we will see the output. In name, we should not enter number values. It is giving error, enter text. Now if I enter string value, if I enter text value, then that red mark is invisible. It is disappeared. Phone number. In phone number, if I type text value, again it is giving error, only number allowed. And if I write number, that red mark is disappeared. Password is visible in star asterisk format. Now confirm password should be same, otherwise it is giving error. Password and confirm password doesn't match, so we have to give similar confirm password. Now this error mark is visible. So this was the output of experiment number 13. Thanks for watching this video.